Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today I'm in Celebration Town Center. We're gonna do a little walking tour, so come on in, check it out. Yeah, here we go guys. We're gonna do a little walking tour today. Welcome to Celebration, Florida, by the way. My current hometown where we're living with Roberta, my wife, and Jake, our son. If you follow Medling World, you know our family, and if you haven't, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. We're gonna do a little walk. So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, this here is called Front Street, this street that runs all along here. And what I want to do is just kind of give you a walking tour. We're gonna start on a corner. I'm gonna walk all the way down. That's Market Street. I'll cross over, I'll come down this way, and we'll do a whole little tour around. We'll come back here and then we'll continue on. All right, right here is Reggiano's. This is Italian restaurant here. They do have like reservations are suggested here, but they have also have a bar. You can go in, sit at the bar and get appetizers, food, and they have a nice sit down area inside. Here, a little look at the menu for you guys while we do our little walking tour here, just so you can have an idea of some of the different things they have. You can zoom in. Menu looks like it's getting a little beat up with the sun here and weather, but all the different things they have there. And it is a wonderful little town center. Of course, across the street you have the lake. They have the nice little seating areas there that you can hang out. As we continue along, I'll show you each business as we walk by. Here is the soap tree. So all your different soaps inside this business here, you can see. It's a newer business. Let's say half year or so maybe been here. And here is Gypsy Moon. All kinds of little gifts and knickknacks and all kinds of, oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. As we continue on, guys, you can see up there are apartments above all of these storefronts. There is some music playing here on Market Street, so I do have to do a little bit quicker clips because of copyrights, but we'll keep it moving. This is Market Street Gallery. Lots of little Christmas things in there too. Very good. Because I did. Oh yeah, here you can see a lot of, and this stuff's available all year. They have their Christmas stuff all year. All right, let's head up to the corner. As you can see, we just came up that way. Over here, this is one of the newer businesses. Actually, I have a vlog on this. We tried it out. This is called New York Bakery Boys. They have like deli sandwiches. They have a small little grocery section. They have desserts, cannolis. Very good sandwiches in there, guys. If you're interested, you can check out the full vlog. Also over here you find a post office. And a matter of fact, I'm gonna head into the post office because I want to check Medling World P.O. Box. We do have a P.O. Box for our channel. If you want to send us a postcard, old school mail, you can find the address in the description of the video. Let me pop in and just see if we have anything in there. So this is where you'll find the post office. I checked the P.O. Box. Nothing of significance in there today. Some junky mail. Over here, guys, Thai Tahini, another restaurant. Let me see. Oh yeah, they do have. And yes, I do mispronounce words all the time, so welcome to Medling World. You can correct me in the comments if you'd like, but I do have a tendency to mispronounce words. Hey, I'm from New England. We have our own way to say things, you know what I'm saying? Over here, some of the different things here you can get. And they do have the bubble milk tea. But yeah, actually I was talking about the vlog I made, New York Bakery Boy. Shout out to my friend Steve, who's actually in there with his son. And he's like, hey man, because when I was coming out of the post office, he saw me, he's like, hey, I saw your vlog. So he went in to give it a try. And it is good. He's gonna be happy. Right here, Fortuna Bakery. All different bakery items in there. They have like empanadas and things like that, so you can go in there and grab and go. And this is like a local kind of like, it's called Soft as a Grape, but they have a lot of the celebration merch. So yeah, if you're looking for like your celebration merch, you can see they have men's, they have women's, they have kids, they have blankets, towels, hats, everything in there. Celebration. And this is the Wine Emporium right here. Just to give you a little reference here, it's Tuesday and it's about noon, so it's not very busy down here, but you come on the weekends or even in the evening times here, these places get very busy. Here's a little menu for you here from the Wine Emporium. You guys want to have a look. You can zoom in on it, guys, or you can just go right online. All of these restaurants here, you can Google any of them. They have their websites with all of their menus. And yes, Celebration does have its own pizza. This is upper crust pizza. It's a New York style pizza. Listen, I used to live up there. Pizza's not the same in Florida. It's just the way it is. It's decent pizza. It's good enough. But if you think it's going to be the same exact thing you get up north, in the Northeast, it's not. It's different. But it's okay. It's decent. And this is the Celebration Downtown Diner right here, guys. So just kind of coming around the corner so you can see now where we started, right? There's the lake. Came across up. Post office, came back, came this way. This is the diner still. I've eaten here before too. Very good, actually. Very good. Love it. Love it. It's got kind of a retro feel. It does have a real kind of authentic diner with a little bit of modern twist to it, but it is nice. They have a lot of different themes, activities that go on here, and a lot of different specials as well. This here is a very popular spot here in Town Center. This is the Celebration Town Tavern. So you have this outdoor area with the bar, and this is they have really good like New England type seafood. It's very popular too in the weekend times and in the afternoons and the evenings. Really highly advise getting a reservation here if you're coming, especially on a weekend. So they have this outdoor, and this does kind of in the winter, this kind of comes down. They put heaters and stuff, so it's really cool. It's really nice, and it's just got like it's got a small town feel to it. It's very popular for the local people here at the Celebration Town Tavern. Very popular spot. Let's head across because I think Roberta is over here at Starbucks getting us a beverage. And yes, we do have a Starbucks here in Town Center. So find Roberta, and yes, we're in the Starbucks at Celebration, but it's a very small Starbucks.
Yeah.
Just to kind of show you, it's just kind of a little walk-up counter, really to get it and to go. But they have a nice little outdoor area to sit. So we kind of wanted to show you what it looked like.
Yeah.
Can't wait for our beverage. And you can see behind me, or I'll just show you all these nice. They used to have they used to have nice couches and stuff in there. Oh well, we took some of the seating out. Over here, guys. Well, let me get around the truck because it's hard to hear. Roberta, what'd you get us?
Pecan crunch.
Pecan Perfection.
Perfection, yeah.
It's called Pecan Perfection. It's new. We had this in our last vlog, which we made yesterday from Magic Kingdom, if you saw it. Oh, it's so good. But it's so good. It's got such a nice pecan flavor. So, highly recommend that one. I came across the street because there's a little construction here, but that's called Avocados. That's a Mexican. And I think they're just doing some work on the roof. I think this is just during the daytime, probably. But usually you can sit all outside there. They have a new expansion at an Avocado on that side. It's a whole full bar too as well. We've eaten there before. It's decent food, but a nice vibe, nice atmosphere. Did want to show you a nice view. If you follow us along, we do make vlogs down here from time to time. And yeah, we're gonna walk back that way when we get to the corner. I'll skip over and we'll start again on the corner there, and I'll show you all that. But you can walk all around this lake. It's beautiful to walk. Right now it's actually happy October 1st, and it's still 90 degrees here in Florida. Stays hot here till around Halloween.
It's a nice trail too.
Yeah, it's a beautiful trail. You can go all around. You can ride your bike. You can walk. It's very nice, and it does a circle, so you can start anywhere here and go around, and you come around the back of the hotel, and then you come out right at the end there. So you can do a whole loop. And this is called the Celebration Hotel. This is part of the signature hotels here, and it is a Marriott brand hotel. So if you are a Bonvoy member, or if you have the app, you can go on and you can find out all about the hotel. And there's actually a restaurant as well that's open to the public, and I know they have a brunch that's very popular. All right, and there's, of course, there's several different realties all around the town in this area. If you go up to the other main street there, Avenue, right? Celebration Avenue.
Also over there is bike rental too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you want to rent, we have a vlog too.
Yeah, I do have a vlog all about the bike rentals. All right, guys, so we were just over there, and I came back. This is where we started here, so we're gonna walk down this way, show you a couple more things over here in Town Center as we come around the corner. Oh, it is warm, but beautiful view of the lake. Actually, there's a gator out there swimming. Guys, this is Ari. This is Japanese food here. See, it's all set up. So you can sit out here. I always thought it was open for lunch, but oh, there's somebody inside. So yeah, I guess it is open. Just nobody sitting outside. You might be able to scan that at home. I'm not sure. There's a reflection there. You can try it. That's their menu. And as we continue on, they have this little French bakery. Okay, Lee Macaron. That's pretty good too. They have like coffees, they have little like chocolates. I'll show you real quick what it looks like. So you can see they have a little bakery, walk up. It's nice to sit down. Hey guys. So yeah, nice place to just chill and have a little snack. We've gotten little snacks in there. Jake likes little chocolate Eiffel Towers.
Yeah.
This is chain, guys. These are all around here. The Wolf Gang Bakery and Grooming. It's for all your pets. And then they have Kilwin's chocolate ice creams and fudge and all kinds of good stuff. Oh, here's a couple of seasonal.
Oh, that's cute.
And yes, we've gotten plenty of ice creams here. This place gets very busy in the afternoons and especially on the weekends. Some nice seating out here though. And then we make our way around the corner. This used to be a theater. I want to actually walk across the street so I can show you a little bit better, and then I can show you this fountain. Yeah, let's just keep the camera rolling. Look both ways. Looks pretty good. So this fountain goes off intermittently throughout the day, and yes, you can splash in here. You will find kids in here cooling off. You will find adults in here cooling off. So yeah, I don't think pets are technically allowed in it, but you will see some pets in there on occasion. Yeah, I don't think they're very strict on it, but I have seen people with their pets in here. And it does say no animals, so technically you're not supposed to have animals in there. In there, perfect. So I'm gonna take a chance and walk on here because
Yeah, good luck.
if it goes off, that'll be fun for the camera. But I always like this because this is where we're from. Close enough, Boston. And then another favorite place we like to go is Cape Canaveral for our cruises. And then of course Walt Disney World. So gives you a little bit of a compass, which is nice. And another view here, guys, across the lake. See if we find anything over here. There was a gator swimming, but I don't see him anymore. That's the hotel, the Marriott, the Celebration Hotel. All right, let's continue on a little bit. And here is the Celebration. It used to be a movie theater in there. You hear some from time to time that they're trying to bring it back. I'm not sure. But right now, the movie theater is non-existent. And so it's just a couple minutes in between. And as we walk down, guys, it's a these nice canopy trees here. You can see the nice shade, huh, Roberta? Beautiful.
If it was a little bit better in temperature, that would be perfect.
A little cooler, yeah.
That'd be cool.
And then, of course, we have the Spanish restaurant across the street, the Columbia. Very popular as well. So, yeah. And there's your little walking tour of Town Center. And of course, if you're moving here, or if you are a resident, maybe you've just moved and you don't realize, in this area here, actually, we'll keep the vlog going just to show you, because I know a lot of people do enjoy Medling World that are going to be moving here or thinking about it. This area here is for the residents, parking, and there's a pool, playground, strictly for residents. Now, you can walk through here if you're not a resident, but for the parking and the use of facilities, you have to be a resident. So you would just come.
We'll close it down for events.
Yeah. Sometimes they have residential events and they will use this parking area, food trucks,
Yeah.
things like that. But what's really nice about it is a lot of times when there are events in Town Center, they will leave this open, and then you don't have to try to fight for parking. You can come right in here and park. And we've always been lucky to find parking. But yeah, over here, yeah, actually, we'll go over there. I'll show it to you. So this is called Lakeside Park. Actually, I have a little bit more of an in-depth here when we did the recreational pools, the residential pools all around town. If you want to check that vlog out, I showed a playground. I go in by the pool, but you have a playground back there for the residents, and this pool here for the residents. And this pool is heated to 86 degrees year round. Roberta likes that one.
Yeah. And if you are residents, they also have the
they do have the charging stations.
Yeah.
They were out of order. Yeah, they're still out of order. I think they're maintaining them or working on them. But yeah, so you can come down and charge while you're hanging out down in town center. So this is a nice area for the residents. They have the basketball courts. They've been updated recently. They were out without hoops for a while, but they repaved it, painted it, new backboards and hoops. They got tennis here. So it's a nice little area down here, guys. And of course, you can do a little picnic with grilling. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. I hope you enjoyed the downtown celebration. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to our Patreons. And last but not least, see ya!